Hi, I'm Diana. Thanks for joining me. This class is entirely at the wall, and just walk your feet maybe a foot away from the wall. Use your hands to lower your butt against the wall. And we're going to start with some pelvic tilts. We're going to pair them with breath. So we'll begin with an exhale. On exhale, I want you to imagine you can pull your lower abdominal wall away from your underpants. Get a little abdominal contraction. So take a deep breath in. Exhale. As you pull that lower abdominal wall away from your underpants, your tailbone moves forward. Your pelvis pushes into the wall. Your lower back pushes into the wall, and you almost make the shape of a rounded, angry cat. That's an abdominal contraction. And then on inhale, we'll reverse it. So now think tailbone reaching back into the wall. Reach the lower, middle, and upper back away so you get that sort of cow spine. You can walk your feet forward if you want more. We'll do 3 more. Inhale. Exhale. Rounding one bone at a time. Push the pelvis into the wall. Use your lower abdominals. And then inhale, reverse. Tailbone sticks out. Reach your pelvis forward. Reach your lower back, middle back, and upper back forward. Get a big old stretch. Exhale. Pelvis pushes back into the wall. Lower abdominals pull away from underpants. Push all of your back vertebra into the wall. Inhale, reverse it. Tailbone reaches toward the wall. Pelvis dumps forward. Reach your spine away from the wall. Last time, exhale, round. Use your belly. Pull in. Reach your tailbone forward. Flatten your pelvis. Lower back, middle back, upper back. Inhale, extend. Reach your tailbone back. Dump your pelvis forward. Extend your spine. Good. And then from here, hands can come to thighs. And you can start to walk your feet back. Carefully lift yourself off the wall and place your hands on the wall. Walk your feet back. Take them wide. I think wider than hip width. And then begin to bend your knees so they're soft. And then this is the cue to remember. Imagine someone has one hand on either side of the front of your hips and they pull your hips way back to get a tractioning feeling in your spine. Good. And then you'll bend your knees so you're not too rounded in your back. The bend will take the tension out of the hamstrings. And then I like to just wiggle a little here. So bend one knee and the other. Feel what that feels like. Yep. And then after you've done a couple of those bends, just hold. Get one more big pull, like someone's got their hands on your hips pulling you back. And then let's take 3 breaths into the bottom of our rib cage. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Keep pulling those hips back. Amazing. You'll find more length with each breath out. Last one. Breathe in. And breathe out. Keep pressing your hands into the wall. And walk your feet in one at a time. And you're all set. Thank you for joining me.